All right, guys, let's talk about SMCI as this one is ramping up right here. We're starting to see a switch of the trends here. As you can see, the EMA 5 is at the top along with the 10, and then this dark blue is the 20, and then this is what I care about the most, this EMA 50. So on the daily chart, we are uptrending. Okay, we can clearly see that we're doing pretty good. Now, the last time we did that, and I'll show you what I'm looking at with these indicators, but the last time we did that, we were uptrending here. You see the early signs of it? We started to see this crisscross, and we exploded up, right? I mean, look at this massive move we kept going. And then we kind of just fell back down, right? I love this skipping the EMA strategy. You see how we skip the 5 and the 10? We go to the 20, and then look at this. From the 20, we made this nice little bounce of 27%. Skip the 20, go to the 50, kind of consolidated, kind of moved up a little bit. But what am I looking for SMCI? I look at the longer term outlook. You can see on the quarterly chart, definitely uptrend. If we ever get close to the CMA 50, you better believe it, buyer's going to come in. The monthly chart, uptrend. EMA 50 is at the bottom. You see, every time this thing has hit this 50, look at the master returns this has given. Bam, 76% right there. Hit it again. Bam, 132% from the lows. Hit it again. Bam, 65%. Hit it again. Bam, 63. This is like bam, bam, bam. I mean, I wish I've seen this because someone told me, I was like, hey, have you checked SMCI out? And meet your system like to a T, we would be making spank on this thing. These are monthly candles. Literally for a couple months, we've been literally stagnant right here and just making monster returns. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. So now my eyes are on it now. So I definitely see this. But yeah, this is definitely looking to make a monster move. I wish I caught on this monthly EMA 50. The weekly chart, you can see we are in a downtrend. Okay, we could all see this. All right, so if the EMA 50 is at the very top, you can understand that if price comes and touch it, it's probably going to come down. Price comes it's probably going to come down. Okay, so on the longer term outlook, we are before this was an uptrend, but remember, I look at different time frames. I see that the daily is making an uptrend, and that can come back into the weekly. We know the monthly and long term is good. A lot of different ways to play this. If I see like, hey, I want price to come back to this EMA 5 for a bounce up, I want to kind of come back to that $42 mark, I can say, you know what, I'm going to put an auction for this because price could just literally just keep going up too. But you could expect something like this. Price goes up, price goes back down, price goes up, kind of goes in a wave, right? A staircase pattern. Looks pretty bullish to me as we can expect price to maintain this bullish outflow. I love this stock too. This is a good company. Right here, if I sold single option puts, if you guys know, if you're in my Discord, you guys know I love selling options. I get a discount, and what I would do is I sell puts, then I do cover calls, and I would operate the wheel on this. So let's say I wanted to get it at the EMA 5. So I need to look at for premium or for price at $42. It's at 46 right now. So if I go a week out and I say, hey, I have to get this at 42. I don't want it at any higher. So I would click this on $42 and I would say, I'll see how much it would cost me. Let's say I want to pay $20,000 on this, right? So I do a quantity of 5 and bam, cost me about $20,000. Sell it for about 87 cents here on the mid. So for 5 contracts, I would collect $435 right off the bat. And I get a pretty good discount. I get it at 42 compared to just buying it at 46. You guys see this? I wanted it at this EMA 5 because I believe this is strong support. If price goes back to it, it'll probably bounce from there. That's what I believe. And so I want to try to get a discount. And if I get a sign, well, no big deal. I take the 42 and then guess what I can do, guys? I'll go here and I sell calls. Let's say I sell it at 42, then I'll sell it at a higher strike to get some premium, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this EMA 5 as strong support. Since we're not there yet, well, I'll sell puts to that level, okay? And I don't mind getting a sign. You better believe it, this is a perfect breakout kind of structure here. I mean, look at these levels, guys. We broke out of this right here. You see this? Touch, touch, breakout. So you better believe if we ever come back, this is going to be massive support. And then we're already kind of look at this. We broke out of this high. You see this right here on the daily? This was massive resistance. So And what happened? We break out, come back right in here, and then I think we go up from here. But just to be a little safer, I wanted to see if it touches that 5. I want that as strong support. So I think this is going to head much higher, guys. This is what I'm seeing. SMCI, really good company. I like it. We will see what happens with SMCI. A lot of good premium. You see they have options every week. So this is a company that I like doing and can make really good money. So SMCI is in a long-term outlook. Bullish. Yay! We're bullish. Monthly. Yay, we're bullish. I mean, look at this. You guys could be making bank on this monthly EMA 50 if it ever comes back to that. But yeah, I think we're going to switch from daily uptrend to weekly uptrend, and you can see we're already uptrending on the daily. So we'll see what happens, guys. SMCI, keep it on your high alerts. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, learn how I do these strategies, look what I do, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member of an awesome Discord, awesome community, watch my education videos, live streams, and everything, make sure you hit how to subscribe and hit hashtag day trade alerts. Super easy to subscribe, and it'll only be 12 bucks a month. All right, if you guys are subscribing on your computer, that is the best way to do it, so you can avoid the iOS fee. If you don't do it on your computer, it might be like 15 or 16 bucks a month. But all in all, though, you're getting a massive discount, and you're going to learn not only my swing trading strategy, but you're going to learn how I look for day trades. I'm a very conservative player. I love selling options, so I'll teach you every way that I know about selling options. Hit day trading education, watch all my day trading videos. Hit swing trading education, watch all my swing trading videos. I'll be in the day trade chat a lot, premium chat anytime. I mean, I do live streams every day right in here. You'll see when I go live, you'll get pinged. Everything will be pinged on your phone, so you know what exactly I take. But yeah, if you guys want to join, if you have an Android, you will have to use your computer to subscribe. But it's better just use your computer anyways. 12 bucks a month, you can't beat it, guys. I mean, you'll be grandfathered into a lifetime discount. As long as you say subscribe, it will only be 12 bucks a month. And I'll teach you guys how I've been a full-time trader doing these nice conservative strats. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in another video. SMCI, let me know what you think in the YouTube comments below, what you think about this stock, as I really like this, and I'm looking to sell some puts here on this EMA 5 at the $42 mark. If I get a sign, no big deal, because I like it rated there. I like that. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Happy trading. And make sure you subscribe if you want to in the Discord. I'll answer any questions you have there.